Two-way Radioc Baofeng Walkie-Talkie UV5R55W dual-band two-way ham radio transceiver UHF/VHF 136-174/400-520 MHz, 3 colors for optional. Newest Stylesc small Sizec good frequency range, up to 3 miles/5 km, C easy to use UsecDurable and extremely strong excellent dual frequency display with high quality antenna good ergonomics overall decent desktop charger and 12-hour rechargeable battery life contrary to other radios. The new UV5R5 is perfectly capable of handling strong out-of-band signals. Use for floorwalkerc adventure sportsc outdoor activitiesc retail and manufacturing industries. Others it has multi-functionsc such as dual band, dual display C, dual watch C, 128 channels, 50 CTCSS and 104 DCS. Its performances are excellent. C, the shape is fashionable and 1-year warranty included. Description: the Baofeng UV5R5 is a compact handheld transceiver providing 4 watts in the frequency range of 136 to 174 MHz and 400 to 480 MHz. It is a compact C economical HT that includes a special VHF receive band from 65 to 108 MHz, which includes the regular FM broadcast band. Dual watch and dual reception is supported. You get up to 128 memories. Other features include selectable wide/narrow C battery save function, VOXC DCS/CTCSS in codec key lock and built-in flashlight. Selectable frequency steps include 2.5C, 5C, 6.25C, 10C, 12.5 and 25 kHz. RF power may be selected at 4 or 1 watts. This radio comes with ANT5SMAJ flexible antennac BL5 Li-ion battery, 7.4V 1800 mAh, C belt clip wrist strap AC adapter, 8.4V 600 mAh, and drop charging tray. Features: frequency range 136 to 174/400 to 519.995 MHz, dual band display C, dual frequency display C, dual standby output power 4/1 watts, 128 channels, 50 CTCSS and 104 DCS, built-in Vox function, 1750 Hz brust tone FM radio, 65.0 MHz, 108.0 MHz, LED flashlight, large LCD display, height/low RF power switchable, 25 kHz/12.5 kHz switchable, emergency alert, low battery alert, battery saver, timeout, timer, keypad lock, monitor, channel step, 2.5/5/6.25/10/12.5/25 kHz. Roger, set BR. Before I get into the details of this well-designed, professional-looking equipment, it's important to address an elephant in the room. Unlike handheld plug-and-play 0.5-watt walkie-talkies with non-detachable antennas which can be used legally in the USA without a license but have far more limited range than most of them, these sophisticated higher-powered dual-band handheld transceivers with removable antennas must be licensed to be used in the USA legally. An FCC-issued amateur technician's license is the minimum requirement. The other issue that should be addressed is that while it is legal to listen on any of the frequencies covered by these transceivers, using them to transmit outside the designated 420 MHz, 450 MHz and 144 MHz, 148 MHz amateur bands could be the same as or worse than operating without a license, is illegal and could result in forfeiture of equipment, fines and even imprisonment. Frequencies from 400 MHz to 420 Hz are reserved for government use only. All bands can be scanned for active radio signals automatically. Therefore, anyone anticipating using these dual-band transceivers for anything other than listening should buy themselves a copy of the ARRL Ham Radio License Manual as a study guide for license qualification. Then obtain a license and operate these units in accordance with FCC rules. Their range and performance are worth the trouble. Braz, a formerly FCC licensed broadcast engineer who spent 6 years in the U.S. military maintaining radar and communications equipment. My first impression of these amateur radio transceivers is that their bills feel and look like military or professional equipment. Some minor assembly is required. The antenna comes detached and simply screws onto the connector on top of the unit. Attaching the included belt clip requires a small Phillips head screwdriver. An included wrist loop threads through a metal tab. Next to the antenna there is also a built-in flashlight and a volume control /on/off switch that operates solidly and smoothly. Each transceiver comes with a charging base powered by a plug-in transformer that produces 10 volts. The base can charge the battery whether or not it's attached to the transceiver. Replacement batteries from Baofeng are available through Amazon for a reasonable price. A plug-in headset is also included for those who would prefer more privacy with their communications than having them coming from a speaker. The built-in speaker appears to be only about 1 inch in diameter and is protected by a perforated plastic grill above the keyboard, yet the sound from that speaker is remarkably clear and good. These transceivers will scan and tune into both the foreign and American FM broadcast radio bands. I found listening to local FM radio stations to be a more pleasant experience than I would have expected from such a small device and as good as some expensive Bluetooth speakers that I have reviewed. In the default settings, transmission is initiated by a push-to-talk button on the transceiver, but among the numerous menu selections there is a voice-operated transmit setting that allows hands-free operation with the included headset. There are also menu selections for privacy codes, so only you and someone with matching settings on their Baofeng transceiver will be able to hear each other. Licensed amateurs can dramatically improve the range of these transceivers by using amateur radio repeaters, which is another advantage of being a licensed user. For the price, these transceivers have remarkable amount of sophistication, options and power which require more knowledge to use than a simple low-power walkie-talkie. After querying me regarding my qualifications to review sophisticated communications equipment, the seller provided me with samples in exchange for an honest review which you have just read.